Hi boys and girls, my name is Miss Sandilands, and when you come up to primary 1 you'll see me about the school and I'll be there to help you with your phonics and your reading. So phonics is when we learn some brand new sounds, and then once we have lots of sounds then we'll be able to read. So I'm going to show you how we learn our sounds in primary 1. The first thing I'm going to tell you is that when I do this, that means it's my turn, and when I do this, that means it's your turn, so you need to repeat what it is that I've said. So today we're going to practice and we're going to learn the sound S. Then it should be your turn. S. Good job. So I have a sun. Then it's your turn. I have a spider. I have a snail. And I have a snake. So all of these pictures start with our sound today, which is S. Good job. So our S looks a little bit like this. So it looks like a slithery snake. So when you see this side of your card, you're going to say snake. And when we see this side, we can see it's the same shape, but we call this sound S. So I'm going to hide this behind my back, and you're going to see if you can tell me if it's the snake or the S. S. Snake. S. Snake. S. Good job. Did we see that every time? What you're going to do now is my little mini S is going to be hidden inside all the other sounds. You'll have learned these by the time we come into primary 1, okay? So I'm going to hide this in my pack, and when you see S, you're going to grab it and go S. So this one's a T. And then we see S, so we grab it and say S. I'm going to put it back in. This one's a D. And this one is a S. Good job. I'll put it in once more and see if you can find it and grab it. This one's A, and S. Good job. So once we've learned to recognise our sound, once we've learned to read our sound, we then have to learn to write it. Now, you saw that our S actually looks like a snake, and that helps us remember what shape it is when we're writing it. So, first of all, I've got my snake. Here he is. Here's his eye and his tongue. And I'll make my snake a spotty snake. So here is my snake. So we're going to go to write our S. We use our magic pencil grip, so our thumb, our pointing finger and our middle finger to help. And we start at the snake's head and we go slither down the snake. And you're going to try it in the air, so get your magic pencil grip again, and we're going to go slither down the snake. Now, when I take the snake away, I'm just left with my sound S. Can we see that? Good job. Then you'll have a turn at trying to write this on your whiteboard or your jotter, and we'll use the writing rhyme to help us. So we'll go slither down the snake, and again, slither down the snake, and once more, slither down the snake. So that is how we would learn our very first sounds. And once we've got lots and lots of sounds, then we can start to read. But this is what it will look like when you start primary 1 and you start to learn your sounds from the very start.